Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's explore 5 idioms that perfectly capture the emotion of anger. I'll also show you how they compare to basic English. Let's get started. Idiom 1, blow a fuse. This idiom is used when someone becomes extremely angry. Basic English. He got really angry when he found out about the mistake. With the idiom, he blew a fuse when he found out about the mistake. The idiom adds intensity to the anger, making it sound more dramatic. Idiom 2, hot under the collar. This idiom means to be angry or upset about something. Basic English. She became very angry when her plans were ruined. With the idiom, she got hot under the collar when her plans were ruined. The idiom brings out the physical heat of the emotion, making it feel intense. Idiom 3, go ballistic. This idiom describes someone who becomes extremely angry, usually suddenly. Basic English. He lost his temper when he was yelled at. With the idiom, he went ballistic when he was yelled at. The idiom makes the anger sound explosive and out of control. Idiom 4, blow off steam. This idiom means to express anger or frustration to relieve stress. Basic English. She yelled to release her frustration. With the idiom, she blew off steam by yelling. The idiom adds a sense of relief after the anger, like a pressure valve releasing. Idiom 5, see red. This idiom means to become very angry, often without being able to control it. Basic English. He was furious after hearing the news. With the idiom, he saw red when he heard the news. The idiom adds a visual intensity to the anger, like the world around you is turning red. So there you have it, 5 idioms that help you express anger with flair and creativity. Isn't it fascinating how language can turn even emotions like anger into something vivid and engaging? Now it's your turn. Which idiom from today's list is your favorite? Or do you have a personal favorite not mentioned here? Share it in the comments and let's learn together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun idioms and English tips. See you in the next video.